Alright y'all, welcome back to Hunt 'em Hard Outfitters. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first hunting video going up on the channel, full video. Most of this hunt, the hunt that you guys are about to watch, filmed by Connor Detrich himself. The first clips you guys are watching is from last week when the first big snowstorm hit. Tuesday. Alright, so that's from Tuesday. First clips y'all are going to watch from Tuesday, and then I'm going to throw y'all to the hunt that we just went on today, which after we had a small snowstorm last night, or yesterday? Thursday night, Saturday morning now. So, you know, Maryland's finally gotten cold, weather's getting good, and yeah, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and throw y'all into the first hunt from Tuesday.
Oh, that one's dead too. Kill that one out front. Dad, out front. Black, we're good. Touch it up, Fat. Well, there you go, y'all. Just got a pair came in. We killed both, but one got away. This big water's hard to get them. Catch y'all on next group. Mine's good. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Dad, don't move. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, Dad, Dad. My corner, my corner. Here they come. When they come over, touch it up. I think we got a hen and a drake. I thought I smoked that drake.
I shot the drake.
I know you did. That was all. I got that all on film.
Really?
Those are new ducks, new birds. We need one more. Patty, touch it up.
Patty, back.
Yo, I was just fooling. Big. Oh. Bring it here.
Oh, got a camera.
That's a gorgeous drake.
Nice.
They were all bundled up. I was like, eh.
We had to shoot him then.
Yeah.
Just grab him and pick it.
It's still filming. Oh.
I heard the wings go over.
Yeah. I was like, what was that?
Yeah.
Also, I looked back and I was like, holy.
As y'all saw, Connor and his dad, they got down 3 mallards, knocked down 4, picked up 3. They had a 4th one to get away, which sucks, but that's just a part of hunting, you know.
That big water.
Hunting that big water. You get cripples diving on you. They just keep diving on further and further and further, and there's a certain point where you just can't get to them. So that stinks. But 3 mallards down out of that big group that you guys saw. Super awesome hunt. Getting cold, bringing the birds down. Those are those Canada mallards. So it's getting good. And yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw y'all to the clips from today's hunt. Shortstop us. Go right there. I got one.
Oh, that one dove.
There we go. I mean, I had to shoot. They shortstopped us right there. Yeah. They set perfect right there. I mean, it was, you know.
Yeah, you did the right thing.
Yeah, I know. I saw him. There you go, baby. On the board.
We got a pair come off my shoulder. Let me see here.
Oh, see him.
See him behind the alley?
Yep.
Yep.
Here it comes.
I think they're landing, Connor. You're. Oh, never mind.
Where'd they go?
Oh, right here. Single top only.
Oh, yeah, that's a black duck again.
Aaron, hit that jerk cord.
On the board in the cold. It's cold. Right here.
Here they come. Here they come. Get ready. Get ready. Hit that jerk cord one time. Here they come off Aaron's side. All right, we got one. Oh, that one dove. We got one, boys. Looks like a Drake mallard. Oh, Lord. Oh no. Black duck. That was a flock of black ducks. Oh. We got a pair come off my shoulder. Just sit here. See him behind the island? Here they come. They're still up, still up. Get back here. Oh, right here, single up top, don't move. Aaron, hit that jerk cord. That was a flock of black ducks that came in. You don't see that every day. You had to shoot.
Yeah.
There's too many. Landed too perfect. Oh.
Today, finished with 1 black duck, 3 mergansers. Y'all did not see us killing those mergansers. GoPros, so if you guys do any kind of filming on GoPros, hunt, any of that stuff, you guys will know that GoPros do not hold up very well in the cold. They tend to shut down, runs the batteries real quick, and they freeze up. That's kind of what happened. Mine froze up. It froze to the point I couldn't get the on button on. It just wasn't working. But yeah, I ended up getting that black duck on camera. I think I got the GoPro fixed. For this being the Hero 9, first time I've had this, or I think first or second I had this problem, which isn't too bad. You know, each year GoPro gets a little better about it. But yeah, y'all. So first hunting video on the Hunt 'em Hard Outfitters channel, ladies and gentlemen. Big things coming. If y'all want to enjoy today's video, drop a like down below. Go ahead and follow Instagram, TikTok, all that link down below. If you guys have not checked out the Aaron Ewing TV channel, that's linked down below. Follow me and Connor on Instagram, that's linked down below. And yeah, y'all, we will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.